Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Easy English Podcast. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Mike. Hi, everyone.
This is English conversation practice for beginners. Today, you will learn how to talk about your daily routine in English.
Yes. After this video, you can tell people what you do every day. You can say when you wake up, what you eat, what you do at work or school.
Exactly. This is really useful because people ask about your routine all the time.
That's right. So stay with us and we'll practice together.
Before we start, if you're new here, welcome. We make easy English lessons for beginners.
We talk slowly, we use simple words, and we make learning fun.
So if you like this kind of practice, please subscribe to our channel. It really helps us.
Yes, and give this video a thumbs up if you want to learn more about daily routines.
Okay, let's begin.
So, Sarah, why is talking about daily routines important?
Great question, Mike. When you meet new people, they often ask, "What do you do every day?" or "What's your schedule like?"
Right. At work, at school, with friends, everyone talks about routines.
Exactly. And it's not difficult. You just need some simple words and phrases.
That's what we'll teach you today. Simple sentences you can use right away.
And we'll give you real examples so you can understand when to use them.
Perfect. Let's start with the morning.
Mike, what time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6:30 in the morning.
Oh, that's early.
Yeah, I like to start my day early. What about you?
I wake up at 7. I'm not a morning person.
Haha, that's okay. So viewers, you can say, I wake up at, and then the time.
For example, I wake up at 6 o'clock. I wake up at 8:30. Very simple.
Now, Sarah, what do you do after you wake up?
Well, first I brush my teeth.
Me too. Then I take a shower.
Oh, I take a shower at night, not in the morning.
Really? Interesting. See? Everyone is different.
Exactly. So you can say, I brush my teeth, I take a shower, I wash my face.
These are all common morning activities.
Right. Then I get dressed.
Yes, get dressed means you put on your clothes.
After that, I have breakfast.
What do you eat for breakfast?
Usually, I eat toast with butter and I drink coffee. What about you?
I eat cereal with milk. Sometimes I have fruit like a banana or an apple.
Nice. So viewers, you can say, I have breakfast or I eat breakfast.
And you can say what you eat, like I eat eggs, I eat bread, I drink tea or coffee.
Perfect. Now let's practice together. Mike, ask me about my morning routine.
Okay. Sarah, what do you do in the morning?
I wake up at 7 o'clock, I brush my teeth, I wash my face, and I get dressed. Then I have breakfast. I eat toast and drink coffee.
Great. See how easy that was?
Yes, you just list the activities in order.
Viewers, you can practice too. Think about your morning. What do you do?
Stay with us. We'll practice again at the end.
All right, after breakfast, what do you do, Sarah?
I leave home at 8. I go to work.
How do you go to work? Do you drive?
No, I don't drive. I take the bus.
Oh, okay. I drive to work. I have a car.
That's convenient. How long does it take?
It takes about 20 minutes. What about you?
It takes 30 minutes by bus.
So, viewers, you can say, I go to work or I go to school.
And you can say how you travel. I drive, I take the bus, I take the train, I walk, I ride my bike.
Good examples. And you can say, it takes 10 minutes or it takes 1 hour.
Right. This tells people how long your trip is.
Now, what time do you start work, Sarah?
I start work at 9 in the morning.
And what time do you finish?
I finish at 5 in the evening.
So you work from 9 to 5.
Exactly. What about you, Mike?
I start at 8:30 and finish at 4:30.
Oh, so you finish earlier than me.
Yes, a little bit. So viewers, you can say, I start work at, and I finish work at.
Or if you're a student, I start school at, and I finish school at.
Perfect. These are very useful sentences.
Okay, now let's talk about the afternoon. Mike, what do you do after work?
After work, I usually go home.
Me too. What time do you get home?
I get home at 5, sometimes 5:15 if there's traffic.
I get home at 6.
So you can say, I get home at, and the time.
Right. Then what do you do when you get home?
Well, first I change my clothes. I put on comfortable clothes.
Oh yes, me too. Work clothes are not comfortable.
Exactly. Then I relax for a little bit.
What does relax mean? It means you rest, you don't work.
Yes, maybe I watch TV or I check my phone.
I usually read a book or listen to music.
Nice. So viewers, you can say I relax, I watch TV, I listen to music, I read.
These are common activities after work or school.
Now, what about dinner? What time do you have dinner, Sarah?
I have dinner at 7 o'clock. What about you?
I eat around 6:30.
What do you usually eat?
It depends. Sometimes I cook at home, sometimes I order food.
What do you like to cook?
I like to cook pasta or chicken with vegetables. It's easy and healthy.
That sounds good. I don't cook every day. Sometimes I'm too tired.
I understand. When I'm tired, I just eat something simple, like a sandwich.
Yes, exactly. So, viewers, you can say, I cook dinner or I make dinner.
Or you can say, I order food if you get delivery or takeout.
Right. And you can say, I eat pasta, I eat rice, I eat salad, whatever you like.
After dinner, what do you do?
I usually do the dishes.
Oh, do the dishes means you wash the plates, cups, and spoons.
Yes, it's not fun, but it's necessary.
I agree. Then what?
Then I watch TV or I spend time with my family.
That's nice. I sometimes call my friends or play video games.
Oh, you like video games?
Yes, but only for an hour or so. Not too much.
Good balance. So, viewers, you can say, I watch TV, I spend time with family, I play games, I call my friends.
These are evening activities.
Okay, now let's talk about before bed. What do you do at night, Mike?
At night, I usually take a shower.
Right, you said you don't shower in the morning.
Exactly. I prefer to shower at night. It helps me relax.
I understand. After my shower, I brush my teeth again.
Me too. You should brush your teeth twice a day, morning and night.
Yes, that's important for health.
Then I get ready for bed.
Get ready for bed means you prepare to sleep. You put on your pajamas, you turn off the lights.
Right. What time do you go to bed, Sarah?
I go to bed at 10:30, but I don't sleep immediately.
What do you do?
I read for 20 minutes. It helps me feel sleepy.
That's a good habit. I go to bed at 11.
Do you read too?
No, I usually just close my eyes and sleep.
You fall asleep quickly?
Yes, very quickly. Maybe 5 minutes.
Lucky. Sometimes it takes me 30 minutes to fall asleep.
So, viewers, you can say, I go to bed at, and the time.
And you can say, I fall asleep or I go to sleep.
Right. Fall asleep means when you actually start sleeping.
Exactly. So you might go to bed at 10 but fall asleep at 10:30.
Good point.
Mike, I noticed we have some different routines.
Yes. Like you take a shower in the morning, I take a shower at night.
Right, and you wake up earlier than me.
That's true. I like mornings. You prefer to sleep a little longer.
Exactly. And that's okay. Everyone has a different routine.
Yes. Some people are morning people. They like to wake up early.
And some people are night people. They like to stay up late.
Which one are you, Sarah?
I think I'm a night person. I feel more awake at night.
I'm definitely a morning person. I feel tired at night.
So, viewers, think about yourself. Are you a morning person or a night person?
And remember, everyone's routine is different. There's no right or wrong routine.
Exactly. The important thing is to find a routine that works for you.
Yes, a routine that makes you feel good and healthy.
Now, let's practice the full routine together.
Okay, I'll describe my full daily routine. Listen and see if you understand.
Good idea.
I wake up at 6:30 in the morning. I brush my teeth and I take a shower. Then I get dressed and I have breakfast. I eat cereal with milk. At 7:30, I leave home and I drive to work. I start work at 8:30. I finish work at 4:30 in the afternoon. I get home at 5. I change my clothes and I relax for 30 minutes. At 6:30, I have dinner. Sometimes I cook, sometimes I order food. After dinner, I do the dishes and I watch TV or I play video games. At 11, I take a shower, I brush my teeth, and I go to bed.
Perfect. That was so clear, Mike.
Thank you. Now you try, Sarah.
Okay. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I brush my teeth and I wash my face. Then I get dressed and I have breakfast. I eat toast and I drink coffee. At 8 o'clock, I leave home and I take the bus to work. I start work at 9 o'clock. I finish work at 5 o'clock. I get home at 6 o'clock. I change my clothes and I relax. I read a book or I listen to music. At 7 o'clock, I have dinner. After dinner, I do the dishes and I spend time with my family. At 10 o'clock, I take a shower and I brush my teeth. I go to bed at 10:30, but I read for 20 minutes before I fall asleep.
Excellent. See how easy it is?
Yes, you just say the activities in order with the times.
Exactly. Now, viewers, it's your turn to practice.
All right, let's review what we learned today.
We learned how to talk about your daily routine in English.
We practiced morning activities. Wake up, brush teeth, take a shower, get dressed, have breakfast.
We talked about going to work or school, leave home, take the bus, drive, walk.
We discussed afternoon and evening. Get home, relax, have dinner, watch TV.
And we covered night routines, take a shower, brush teeth, go to bed, fall asleep.
These are all simple, useful sentences you can use every day.
Yes, and remember, everyone's routine is different. That's normal.
Now, we want to hear from you.
Yes, in the comments, tell us about your daily routine.
You can write one sentence or you can write your whole routine. It's up to you.
For example, you can write, I wake up at 7 o'clock, or I have breakfast at 8:30.
Or you can write, I go to bed at 10 and I fall asleep quickly.
This is great practice for you. Writing helps you remember.
And we love reading your comments. We'll reply to as many as we can.
So don't be shy. Write in the comments. We're here to help you.
Thank you so much for watching today.
We hope you feel more confident talking about your daily routine in English.
Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep practicing these sentences every day.
Yes, and if you enjoyed this lesson, please like this video and subscribe to Easy English Podcast.
Tomorrow, we have another great lesson for you.
We'll teach you how to talk about your family in English. It's beginner speaking practice just like this one.
You'll learn how to describe your parents, your siblings, your children, everyone in your family.
It's going to be really useful.
So make sure to come back tomorrow. We'll see you then.
Keep practicing, keep learning, and remember, you can do this.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye. See you next time.